In this video, we'll show you how to move Fortnite to another drive. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if you're running out of space on your main drive, the problem is Epic Games doesn't give you a simple button to change the install location after the game is already installed. So instead, we have to use a small workaround to basically convince the Epic Games launcher that Fortnite needs to be installed again. It sounds a little weird at first, but once you see it, it's actually pretty straightforward. So first, we need to figure out where Fortnite is currently installed. Open the Epic Games launcher, go to your library, find Fortnite, click the three dots next to it, and then click Manage. Inside the installation section, click the little folder icon. This will open your Fortnite install location. Now here in the File Explorer, click on the Epic Games to go one folder level back so you can see the main Fortnite folder itself. And then you're gonna right click and hit Rename. Here you can then add an underscore to the end of the name, so it becomes Fortnite underscore, just like that. When Windows asks you for administrator permission, just click Continue, and the step 1 is done. So after you do this, Epic Games think Fortnite is no longer installed. Next, you need to fully close the Epic Games launcher, go to the system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen, click the up arrow, right click the Epic Games launcher icon, and click exit. After you do that, you can reopen Epic Games launcher, go back to your library, and Fortnite should now show as not installed. Click on it to install. When the install window pops up, click browse and choose the new drive you want Fortnite to be installed on. You can select the root of the drive or create a new Epic Games folder there. Once the new location is selected, click install and let it start downloading. We're not actually installing the game again, so let it run until it reaches about 1 or 2%. As soon as it hits that point, click cancel. And now you can go back to File Explorer again. Go to the new drive you selected. Inside it, you'll see a new Fortnite folder that Epic just created. Open that folder and delete everything inside so the folder is completely empty. Now go back to the original Fortnite underscore folder, the one we renamed earlier. Select everything inside that folder and then copy all of it. Once that's copied, switch back to the empty Fortnite folder on the new drive and paste everything in. Depending on your drive speed, this can take a few minutes, so just let it finish fully. Once the copy is done, go back to the Epic Games launcher. Fortnite should now say resume. Click it, and now instead of downloading the game, Epic will start verifying the files. This is exactly what we want. It's just checking that everything is there and correct. Once verification finishes, Fortnite is now fully installed on the new drive. Launch Fortnite and make sure it works. You can try to load into the lobby. If everything works fine, go back to the original drive and delete the Fortnite underscore folder. Then empty your recycle bin to free up the space. And that's it.